Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Manda Kituma. I shoot videos on body positivity, life lessons, plus size fashion, and DIYs. Feel free to join the Sunshine family. You can click the link. The icon is just here. It takes a second. If you're a returning subscriber, what's up? How have you been? I hope you've been amazing. So for today, I want us to do a hair DIY. So I'll be showing you 3 hairstyles that you can do at home for yourself, by yourself, during this Christmas season. So as usual, let's go straight to the video. So we're going to start with our hair undone. So you set up everything at the sink. Take your white tooth comb and stretch your hair a bit. Then now, after we stretch it, now let's take the oils. Then we massage the oils so that we can have it lay back down. So the oils I'll be using, TCB. The next can be seen argan oil with a bit of TCB coconut oil and TCB leave-in treatment. So I'm going to mix this and then just apply it to my hair. So once your hair is in a cute ponytail, let's get the extension. So the extension I use is actually a weave. This is it. It's number 33. I know my hair is not 33, but this is the closest, so this is what we'll be using. Yes. And a lot of bobby pins. Bobby pins are going to be your new best friend. So let's open. It's simple. So you take this hair and wrap it on your head, the part where you made the ponytail. So see, place it. I usually start at the front. Then the first time you place, take a bobby pin and insert. Then wrap. Take a bobby pin, insert. Wrap. Make sure you insert the bobby pins at different places so that the hair is secure. Bobby pin, insert. Just keep wrapping. So it looks like you have this end. Let's go get another bobby pin and fix that. So you want it to be a bit higher than your actual ponytail. Confirm all the bobby pins are there. We've not combed or styled or anything, so the back will look like that. piece of the hair, just a small piece, and then we wrap it round. So this is going to help to make it look like a ponytail and hide the beginning of our weave, because you know weaves have the track. If you do this, this hides that track. Take your brush. Now that it's secured, just brush it again. So I've used this particular piece. I think this is my 10th time. I don't put oil, and it's a weave. Yes. Let me continue brushing, then I'll come to install the fringe. That's the interesting part. So the hair, when I bought it, it came with a fringe. So, but I had to take it and trim it. So just slightly comb your fringe, and then I put bobby pins to like give me an estimation. Then before I stick the bobby pins in, I try to find, is that at the center? Does that look cute? Do I need to move it up? 1 second, let me consult my mirror. So once I find the perfect location, I remove the bobby pins, put one at the edge, and just pin it to my hair. And I put the edges first. Yes, sorry, it's fogging. Hot. Edge and the edge. So my mirror, take my comb. Confirm that's what I want, then I finally put the middle part. So the good thing is, you press the bobby pins inside so they're not visible. And we're done. Finally, and tutorial, let's go. Fix our face and then we'll see the final product. Hi guys, so this is the finished product. So I've worn clothes that looks nice. So there. Hope I'm giving you hair envy. So thank you so much for watching. Look forward to part 2 and part 3. I got you budget, easy DIY hairstyles you can do at home for the Christmas season. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye.